Dreams are stories our minds create while we sleep. Sometimes these stories include shoes. Shoes in dreams can carry special meanings, and they often reflect our feelings, thoughts, or experiences. If you dream about new shoes, it might mean you're ready for something fresh in your life. New shoes can symbolize exciting adventures or changes coming your way. They show that you're prepared to step into a new phase with confidence. This dream might also suggest that you're eager to explore something new or start a fresh journey in your personal or professional life. Dreaming of old or worn-out shoes could remind you of past experiences. It might mean you've been working hard or that it's time to take care of yourself. Sometimes old shoes in dreams are about letting go of things that no longer serve you. They could also symbolize comfort and familiarity, showing that you're reflecting on memories or lessons learned. Losing your shoes in a dream can feel frustrating. This could mean you're feeling unsure or unprepared in real life. It's a reminder to stay grounded and look for solutions to any challenges you're facing. It might also reflect feelings of insecurity or the fear of losing your stability, whether in relationships, work, or personal goals. Dreaming of walking barefoot can have two meanings. It might show a sense of freedom and being connected to nature. On the other hand, it could mean you're feeling unprotected or exposed in some way. Barefoot dreams may also suggest a longing for simplicity or a need to face life's challenges with honesty and courage. Seeing fancy or sparkly shoes in your dream could mean you're feeling confident or want to stand out. It's about showing your best self and being proud of who you are. Fancy shoes might also indicate that you're aiming for success or trying to impress others in some way. This dream can remind you to embrace your individuality and shine brightly. If shoes in your dream don't fit well, it might reflect feeling stuck or uncomfortable in real life. This could be about a situation or a role that doesn't suit you. Tight shoes might also show pressure or stress you're experiencing. It's a sign to make changes for better comfort and happiness, and to ensure you're in situations that truly fit your needs. Colors in dreams can have special meanings. For example, red shoes might show passion or energy, while blue shoes could mean calmness or trust. Green shoes might represent growth and new beginnings. Yellow shoes could symbolize happiness and positivity. The colors of shoes in your dream can give clues about your emotions and the way you're approaching life. Dreaming about running shoes might mean you're ready to achieve your goals. It shows you're motivated and want to move forward. Running shoes can also represent staying active and healthy. This dream might also mean that you're preparing yourself to overcome obstacles and keep pace with life's demands. Seeing broken shoes in a dream might feel troubling. It could mean challenges are ahead or something in your life needs fixing. Broken shoes remind you to stay prepared and work on solving problems. This dream can also suggest feelings of frustration or that something important needs attention before it becomes a bigger issue. If you dream about wedding shoes, party shoes, or work shoes, it might reflect what's on your mind. These dreams often symbolize excitement, responsibility, or big events in your life. Special occasion shoes can show your readiness to step into important roles or celebrate achievements. It's about feeling prepared and confident for the moments that matter most. Everyone's dreams are unique. When you dream about shoes, think about how they made you feel and what was happening in the dream. Dreams can help us understand our feelings and guide us in real life. Always remember, your dreams are like messages from your own mind, helping you figure things out. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fascinating insights about dreams and their meanings.